So I'm pretty excited to do this modification to put on the Mazdaspeed 3 exhaust on it. It came off from the same generation Mazda 3, but the speed version. I know for a fact that the the axle back bolts up to the exhaust bolt on. For the kind of mid pipe area, I'll probably have to cut and get some pipe welding to extend it so it kind of meets up to the exhaust manifold of the Mazda 3 Skyactiv. So this is the exhaust piping I got to extend it. I won't be needing all of it, but I think less than a foot from what I can see, just so they can cut it, extend it. It's the same piping size, 2.5 inch. So from there I got an exhaust flange for it to be able to put it on top. The reason I can't reuse this flange, it's because it's a different type of flange. This one would use a donut type of gasket, while this one bolts up to a flat surface like the exhaust manifold. So the bolts here that bolt up to the rest of the mid pipe from the axle back to the rest of the mid pipe, these are 14 millimeters. You'll need a deep socket to bolt them all the way down. I also wanted to compare both side by side, the Mazdaspeed exhaust and the regular Skyactiv exhaust. I'm assuming it's either the same or similar exhaust for the regular 2-liter Mazda 3. So you can see quite a bit of a difference in diameter, as in exhaust size. That's either after the muffler or even before the muffler. And one thing to note too that I'm pretty excited about is the mid pipe. It keeps the same size throughout until the front. And for the Skyactiv, it kind of shrinks after the flange for the mid pipe. So it actually goes even smaller than this for the mid pipe. And let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, so I finally got the exhaust welded at an exhaust shop a few days ago. And my first impression, to be honest, it's quite a bit louder than I expected, especially the fact that I was keeping the stock resonator and the stock muffler from a Mazdaspeed, even though the diameter's a little bit bigger.